Welcome to Fractions. Let's learn with MG through stories, poems, and learning magic. Get ready to explore the world of fractions together. A fraction is a way to represent a part of a whole. It tells us how much of something we have when it is split into equal parts. Imagine you have a chocolate bar and you want to share it with your friend. If you break it into two equal parts and you take one part, then you have one out of two parts. That's called 1/2. A fraction has two numbers. The top number is the numerator, which tells how many parts you have. The bottom number is the denominator, which tells how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, if a pizza is cut into 8 slices and you eat one slice, the fraction is 1/8. The number of unit fractions is based on the denominator. Let's look at some examples. If a circle is divided into two equal parts, each part is 1/2. Two of these make one whole. If it's divided into 3 equal parts, each part is 1/3. 3 of these make one whole. 4 equal parts means each is 1/4. 5 equal parts means each is 1/5. So, the bigger the denominator, the more pieces the whole is cut into. A unit fraction is a special kind of fraction where the top number, or numerator, is always 1. The bottom number, or denominator, tells us how many equal pieces the whole is cut into. For example, 1/2. The circle is cut into two big pieces. Each piece is 1/2. 1/3. The circle is cut into 3 equal pieces. Each piece is 1/3. 1/4. The circle is cut into 4 equal pieces. Each piece is 1/4. 1/5. Cut into 5 equal pieces. Each piece is 1/5. 1/6. Cut into 6 equal pieces. Each piece is 1/6. 1/8. Cut into 8 equal pieces. Each piece is 1/8. 1/12. Cut into 12 equal pieces. Each piece is 1/5. As the denominator gets bigger, the slices get smaller. Let's look at different types of fractions. Proper fraction. When the numerator is less than the denominator, it's called a proper fraction. For example, 3/5. Improper fraction. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, it's called an improper fraction. For example, 9/5. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a combination of a natural number and a fraction. For example, 2 and 1/3. Like fractions are fractions that have the same denominators. For example, 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4 are all like fractions. Unlike fractions are fractions with different denominators. For example, 2/3, 3/4, and 2/5 are unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions represent the same value after being simplified. To get equivalent fractions, we can multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, 2/4, 3/6, and 4/8 are all equivalent fractions because they all get reduced to 1/2. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for learning about fractions with us today.